training is essential for equipping soldiers to operate one of the most powerful vehicles on the battlefield. Crews, typically consisting of a commander, driver, gunner, and loader, undergo extensive training to master the complexities of their tank and work together as a cohesive unit. Basic tank operations focus on familiarizing the crew with the tank's systems, movement, and controls. The driver learns to maneuver the vehicle in various terrains, while the gunner practices targeting and firing, and the loader ensures that ammunition is ready for use. Once basic operations are mastered, crews move to advanced tactical training, which includes firing drills, tactical maneuvers, and simulated combat scenarios. These exercises teach crews how to engage targets effectively, operate under pressure, and respond to battlefield threats like anti-tank weapons and landmines. Modern tank crews also receive training and maintenance to keep their vehicles operational in the field. They learn how to perform routine checks and make emergency repairs, ensuring that mechanical issues do not compromise mission success. By combining technical proficiency with strategic thinking, tank training ensures that soldiers are ready for any challenge on the modern battlefield.